This is a great event. It really is an opportunity for us to connect directly with many of our customers, many of our partners, and it's a place where we learn so much and a place where we hope to land great value in the conversations that we have.
This is the perfect platform where teachers, students, educators, everybody involved in education would come to and share experiences and find out what is new in the area of education.
Learning and Teaching Expo.
It's been absolutely fantastic.
It is unbelievable.
It's been a very worthwhile experience coming here.
We're really happy to be here.
Just looking forward to the next one.